I have a sample Java project created here. Okay, Java app 2, where I have included one test. So important thing about the Java project is you will require to all these libraries and jar files on your own. You know, to download the jar files on your local machine, and using the Java build path, you will require to add these external jar files. So problem with this approach is sometimes we require to change the version of our jar files. Okay, sometimes we require to update the version of the jar file, or we need to degrade the version of the jar files. So we will require to download that version jar file in your local machine, and again by using the Java build path, you will require to add those jar files into your project. Okay, and then only your project will work. And sometimes if any jar file get corrupted, or if you miss to add that jar file, your project will not work, and you will face errors while running that application. So then you realize that at first place you created the Java project, and now you are facing the problems while managing these jar files, their versions, right? There are hundreds and thousands of jar files. So is there a way by which I can convert the Java app to Java project into the Maven project directly? So for converting your Java project into Maven project, first of all, right click on your Java project, then go to configure, then go to this convert to Maven project. Click on that. So on this pop-up, it will ask you to enter the group ID and artifact ID and version number. And group ID can be your master project name. Okay, so inside your company, you can have multiple projects inside a group. Okay, so under this Java applications, I can have multiple projects. So that project name is nothing but a artifact ID. Okay, so my project name is Java app 2. So under this Java application main group ID, I can have multiple artifact ID, means multiple projects, multiple Maven projects. So this is the name of my Maven project, artifact ID, and version is 0.01 snapshot. So you can change it from here if you want, and click on this finish. So once you click on the finish, you can see Java app 2 pom.xml file got created. Okay, so this pom.xml file is nothing but a heart of Maven. So in this pom.xml, we will include different plugins we require, different jar files for which we will add the dependencies, right? Okay, so from this libraries, I don't require the jar files now. Okay, I will add my dependencies. So obviously it is going to give you the error in your test files, because we have removed our jar files which are required to run our application, but they are not present in your application now. Okay, so now in this pom.xml file, we just have to add the dependencies, right? So in case of Maven project, we just have to add the dependencies, whatever jars you will require, it will download automatically. 1.0 here, and moment I save it, it will go and bring the latest jar for the Selenium Java. Okay, so it is completed now. So on left hand side, you can see Selenium Java 4.1.0 jar file is available now. So Maven has replaced the old Selenium Java files automatically with the latest one, right? So this is the smart work done by the Maven. So after adding dependency, always right click on your project and click on this Maven and update the Maven project. You can run this as a Java application. So this is how you can convert your Java project into the Maven project.